While Qigong and Tai Chi are, in their native land, referred to in terms of Qi, in the Western or European world, we are oriented to explaining health and performance practices in terms of anatomical and physiological function. Human anatomy and physiology are commonly understood in contemporary science to be infused with functionality. That is the workings of the body at every level. However, in China, physical function is just one aspect of what the ancients called Qi. In the Healer Within Medical Qigong program, you will hear and see references that are reflective of what Qi is and how the Qi could look or feel. For now, let's explore the anatomy and physiology of mind-body practices in Qigong and Tai Chi. How is functionality, an equivalent of Qi, triggered? How is it enhanced? How is it sustained? The skeletal system. According to the ancients who developed Qigong, the Qi penetrates to the marrow of the bones to be stored as a resource for healing and empowerment. The bones support the whole body in navigating gravity, and the marrow is the birthplace of the stem cells that differentiate into red and white blood cells. According to Qigong philosophy, the bones are also a key component of the Qi matrix. Given bones are distributed in all parts of the body, their contribution to the overall function of Qi is pervasive throughout the body. The muscular system. You may feel releasing, relaxing, or tingling throughout the tissues of your arms, legs, and torso. Quiet the mind. Feel the Qi. Rather than think about what you should be feeling, notice what you are feeling. The muscles, like all collections of cells, are operational due to the presence of fuel for function. Functional capacity in the muscles is not just activated by intense effort. Function is also enhanced in the state of alert rest in Qigong and Tai Chi. The muscles are everywhere. Functional support is everywhere. Thus, the Qi is everywhere. The circulatory system. Chinese medicine suggests that the Qi and the blood function together, like a brother and sister. Both deliver functional and healing resources to all the parts of the body. When it is said, feel the Qi, in part what you may be feeling is the activity of the blood. In a state of relaxed practice, the blood system expands, allowing for more oxygen and nutrition to support function in every cell. It is possible to feel this. It is subtle. Because the blood in the vessels and capillaries is functioning everywhere, awareness of the blood is inherently awareness of Qi. The lymphatic system and the body fluids. In Chinese medicine, all fluids other than blood are referenced as the fluids. Lymph, cerebrospinal fluid, synovial fluid in the joints, even tears. The lymphatic system is the foundation of the elimination of internal waste, as well as the delivery system for the immune cells. Qigong and Tai Chi enhance the propulsion and function of all of the fluids. Be attentive to your practice. you may be able to feel subtle fluid-based sensations internally that are what the Chinese chose to call the qi. The nervous system. The nervous system delivers impulses, signals that support and also can restrain or encumber physiological function. Neurons are everywhere throughout the body, delivering messages and information that direct function, as well as supporting the creation of feelings and moods. Neurological impulses cooperate with cells, organs, glands, and overall chemistry to fulfill mind and body functions. Neurological impulses transport and transmit to all of the regions of the body and are very similar to qi. When you feel the effect of soothing, harmonizing, and balancing the activity of the nervous system, you are feeling what the ancients called qi. The organs, including the brain and spine. In all cultural systems, from the ancient shamanic to the present, the organs are a major focus of what we believe to be our functional capacity. And in all systems of thought, the organs are responsible for the processes that sustain life. They are key locations for chemical interactivity, and in Chinese medicine, they are the focal areas for the interactivity of the qi. In the most recent version of what is called the qi channel system, there is an energy channel for each of the organs, each of the glands, and the brain and spine. Sensations of function in all of these are equivalent to qi sensation. The systems we have discussed, bones, blood, fluids, nerves, all produce, and engage in interactions that are chemical in nature. Interestingly, one of the more contemporary definitions of qi is the interactions of the chemicals in any system. Nutrients, enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters, and even more subtle cofactors, including components of the genetic material, are all constantly interacting and functioning. In your QiGong and Tai Chi, both as you practice and over time, breath, movement, mind focus, and self-applied massage all collaborate to enhance the efficiency of inner chemical activities. When you feel, is it chemistry or is it the qi? The relaxation response. When we practice QiGong and Tai Chi, the integration of breath, body, mind, and massage all contribute to the activation of the parasympathetic nervous system's healing neurohormones and the inhibition of the sympathetic system's action hormones. In the stress response, inner function, including oxidation and inflammation, decrease well-being and can cause disease. The relaxation response, fostered by QiGong and Tai Chi, enhances the capacity, functional renewal and restoration, healing at levels as obvious as feeling relaxed and well, and at much deeper levels in the shift of the neurotransmitter profile, and even in the telomeres of the DNA. How amazing is all of this? These mind, body, and energetics practices, developed so many millennia ago, have influences on all the systems of the physical body. The totality of all physical function is very likely a direct equivalent of what the Chinese call qi. The function in these systems is pervasive everywhere throughout the body, just as the qi is everywhere throughout the body. Here is the most interesting part. While physical function is internal energy, qi is not. In a way, we appear to be separate physical units, person to person. However, the qi is internal and external. Maybe you have felt your own energy field, qi field. Is it possible that we are energetically connected with everyone and all things as a part of the totality, sum of qi energy in the whole world? Are we even connected with the whole universe? In the QiGong view, the answer is yes.